Goji berries may look small, but they deliver a surprisingly powerful nutritional punch. If you're looking for a fruit that supports energy, immunity, skin health, and overall vitality, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with what makes goji berries stand out immediately: their antioxidant content. These berries are rich in compounds like zeaxanthin, which plays a key role in protecting your eyes. Regular consumption has been linked to better eye health and protection against age-related vision decline. If you spend long hours staring at screens, this benefit alone makes them worth adding to your routine. Next, immune support. Goji berries contain vitamin C, vitamin A, and unique polysaccharides that help strengthen the body's defense system. These compounds don't just support immunity passively. They actively help your body respond more efficiently to threats like infections and inflammation. Think of them as a daily reinforcement for your immune system rather than a temporary boost. Now let's talk energy. Unlike sugary snacks that spike and crash your energy levels, goji berries provide a more stable, sustained lift. That's because they contain a balanced mix of natural sugars, fiber, and protein. Many people report feeling more alert and less fatigued after incorporating them into their diet regularly. This makes them a great option for midday slumps or pre-workout fuel. Another major benefit is their effect on skin health. Goji berries are loaded with beta-carotene, which supports healthy, radiant skin. Antioxidants in the berries help fight oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to premature aging. Over time, this can translate into clearer skin, improved elasticity, and a more youthful appearance. They also support heart health. Goji berries may help reduce LDL cholesterol while supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Their fiber content aids in digestion, which indirectly benefits cardiovascular health as well. When your digestive system runs efficiently, your body is better able to regulate cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Speaking of blood sugar, goji berries have a relatively low glycemic impact compared to many dried fruits. This means they're less likely to cause sharp spikes in blood sugar, making them a smarter option for those watching their glucose levels. Some studies suggest they may even improve insulin sensitivity over time. Let's not overlook their potential role in mood and mental well-being. Goji berries have been associated with improved feelings of calmness, better sleep quality, and enhanced focus. While they're not a replacement for proper rest or stress management, they can be a helpful addition to a balanced lifestyle. Now, how should you actually use them? You can eat goji berries raw, but they're often enjoyed dried. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even salads. Some people steep them in hot water to make a simple tea. The taste is slightly sweet with a hint of tartness, easy to pair with both sweet and savory foods. Moderation matters. A small handful a day is enough to start seeing benefits. Because they're nutrient-dense, you don't need large amounts to make an impact. Quick tip: if you're buying dried goji berries, look for options without added sugars or preservatives. The cleaner the ingredient list, the better the health payoff. Now for a bonus insight most people overlook. Goji berries have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia, not just for physical health but for longevity and overall vitality. What's interesting is that modern research is beginning to validate many of these traditional uses. The unique polysaccharides found in goji berries are now being studied for their potential anti-aging and cellular protective effects. This suggests that their benefits go deeper than surface-level nutrition. They may actually support long-term health at the cellular level. So if you're building a diet focused on long-term wellness rather than quick fixes, goji berries are one of those small additions that can quietly make a big difference over time. In short, goji berries support your eyes, immune system, energy levels, skin, heart, and even your mood, all in one simple food. Easy to add, easy to enjoy, and backed by both tradition and science.